Hi guys, it's me Catherine. Welcome to my channel where we talk about how to make money online. We mostly talk about how to make money through freelance writing, but I also mention many other ways of making money online. So today I'm excited that we're going to talk about the free tools that you need as a freelance writer. These are free tools that you will be using in your freelance writing business when you're creating content for your clients, when you're creating your samples and all that stuff. So stay tuned guys as we go through this. If it's your first time here, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified of every video that I upload. If you're back here once again and you're already a subscriber or you've seen my videos before, welcome again. Thank you for being here. Subscribe if you haven't and click that notification bell. Also like this video if you like the content. So we'll get right into it. I'll go straight to the point. The free tools that you need for your freelance writing business. These are the best top 4 tools. So the first one is Grammarly. I'm sure you've probably heard about Grammarly. This is a grammar checker. It's a free tool. You can buy it, but there's a free version. And when you're beginning, actually the free version is enough. You just get the extension, the Chrome extension. You attach it to your Chrome browser, and you use it every time you're writing on Google Docs. Every time you're online, it will appear and it will be checking all your content for grammar mistakes and all that. And you can be able to improve your work through using Grammarly. Grammarly is one of the best tools for checking your grammar. So if you've not signed up for Grammarly, make sure you sign up for the free version. Actually, Grammarly can be used offline and online. You can get the version that you can use on your Microsoft Word documents, and you can also download, as I've said, the Chrome extension. So that one you'll be using it online. So it's a very necessary tool and it's free. You don't have to pay for the paid version, especially when you're beginning. So that's the first thing, Grammarly. The second one, the second best free tool that you need in your freelance writing business is Hemingway app. Hemingway app is a readability checker. So this app, what it does is it helps you to make your content more readable. That's one of the things that's one of the things you need to do to improve making your article readable. It's one of the things you need to do to make your work better. Your writing work, your content better, because readability makes people read your articles easily, makes your work, your writing more understandable. It's there are several things you'll be checking when you want to make your article more readable, and these are the things that Hemingway app is going to help you to point out. So like one of the things is passive voice. You're supposed to avoid passive voice. Have as little instances of passive voice in your articles as possible. So Hemingway will point out where you have used passive voice, and you can be able to correct that and change that to active voice. Then another thing that it will be checking for readability is something like hard sentences. So like when you have very long sentences or complex sentences, too complex, Hemingway app will point them out, and you can be able to adjust them. Like you can shorten the sentence, or if it's too complex, you can tone it down, make it easy to understand. Another thing that you have to look out for when you want to make your article more readable is reduce the use of adverbs. Use as few adverbs as you can in your article. So Hemingway app will check that for you also. So how do you use the Hemingway app? You just upload your article on that app. It's actually online. So it's like the website hemingwayapp.com. You'll upload your article there, and Hemingway will highlight all those instances that are making your article not very readable, and you can be able to correct them. So the thing is, I want to point out that it normally grades. So some people find it hard to understand how this grading system works. So the lower the grade, the better your article. Because what the idea behind that grading system is this: if, for example, when you put your article on that app and you see it's noted that your article is, let's say, grade 8, readability, the score is grade 8. That means a pupil of grade 8 can be able to read that article and understand it. If it's grade 6, it means it's a pupil who is in grade 6 can be able to read that article and understand it. You see, so it means the lower the grade, the better it is, because it means even someone who's a younger person, a smaller kid, can read your article and understand it. So if you find it like it's grade 11, grade 10, that means it's quite difficult to understand. So always aim for the lower grade. Or if you get confused with the grade, just look at the notification, like they'll write like good, or I can't remember the other word, but aim for a good score. So that's usually between grade 6, from grade 6 to 8 to around 9. So aim for that so that your article can be more readable. So that's the one of the free tools that you need in your freelance writing business. The third best free tool that you need in your freelance writing business is Duplichecker. So duplichecker.com. This is a website where you can check for plagiarism. You upload your article there and it will detect any instances of plagiarism. You know, or you should be knowing, that you're not supposed to plagiarize anything that you write. Don't ever plagiarize, whether you're writing for clients or for yourself, for your website. Don't plagiarize. So this helps you to check for instances of plagiarism, because sometimes you actually plagiarize without, not consciously. You don't intentionally plagiarize. So this app will help you to detect those instances. So the only downside about Duplichecker is that it will check, the free version will check 1,000 words at a time. So if your article is longer than 1,000 words, you have to split it and put in like 1,000 words at a time as you continue. Put the first 1,000 words, the next 1,000 words, etc. So if you don't want that hassle, there's another website that you can use to check for plagiarism, and it's called onetext.com. Especially when you begin, it will allow you to upload as many words at a go as possible. So like if you have 2,500 words of an article, you just upload all of it. So any instances highlighted of plagiarism, you have to rework those sections. So that's the third free tool that you need in your freelance writing business. The fourth free tool that you need in your freelance writing business, and before we go to the fourth one, I want to just remind you, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video if you like the content so far. Okay, so to the final one. The fourth free tool that you need in your freelance writing business is Canva.com. I know this is an odd one to talk about because Canva doesn't have much to do with writing, but the thing is, it actually helps to, improve your content, because it will help you. It's a design tool. Let me start there. Canva.com. Canva is a design tool. So it will, you can use it to create images and like infographics and all that. Things that you can add to your content to improve it, to make it look better, to make it look actually even readable. Because when someone reads your article and they find images in between, it breaks the content, and so it makes it easier for someone to follow along, to read and follow along with your article, because it's not too monotonous, just words. You get to break it up with images. So you can use Canva to design images, to, you know, adjust the sizes of your images, or create, as I've said, infographics, or yeah, you can actually use Canva to make like interesting images that you can add to your content. So if your client wants you to add images to your content, to your articles, make sure you have Canva. Just create an account. It's very simple. Just sign up and use the free version. It's very sufficient. You don't need to pay for the paid version. But as you continue along, it's good to sign up for the premium version, because yes, you get better. You get premium offers from the premium version. That's the paid version. So that's it, guys. That's all I had for you today. I wanted to mention those 4 free tools that you need in your freelance writing business. Just a recap: the 4 free tools are Grammarly, Hemingway, Duplichecker, and Canva. So if you don't have this, if you've not used any of these tools, make sure you sign up for them. Make sure you create your accounts in those websites and start using them. You'll find them very helpful. Let me know in the comment section below if you use any of these tools. I know some of them, it feels like every freelance writer uses them, but I don't want to assume that. So let me know in the comment section below if you use any of these free tools, and if any of them has been very helpful for you, and if there's any other free tool that you use as a freelance writer, please let me know in the comment section below. Then yeah, it's good to share that information. Maybe I've ever used it, maybe I've never used it, you know, and any of the viewers may have never heard of it, and it may benefit someone. So leave your comment in the comment section below and tell us about those free tools. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys. Once again, I'm Catherine, and in this channel we talk about how to make money online. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.